shortage problem, what the UK is running low on and why. So cars, new and used cars. I mean, that's some of this stuff is not going to make be that surprising when you compare to what the United States has. There's a chip shortage. It's a global chip shortage. So there's a lack of new cars out there and a lack of used cars. I know there was a question, or there was a thing that was brought up on a podcast I was listening to I don't know, a couple weeks back. Like, man, if we just had all those cars that we did the cash for clunkers back in the day, and they were like literally, crushing cars and paying people, $5,000 to have these old cars crushed. Hey, at least we'd have that inventory back, potentially still in through the cycle versus not having it at all. Fuel apparently is they are running out of fuel in the UK. I mean, that presents so many problems since there's so many just so many industries that rely on fuel. I mean, we've had similar type issues here, but apparently in the UK they are struggling too. Milk. The shortage of lorry drivers means that supermarkets are not getting as many deliveries as they used to. So when they sell out a particular product, it takes longer for them to get. Fresh produce, such as milk, is particularly badly affected. So that is terrible to hear. Meat, among other grocery items, sometimes missing on the shelves. Shoppers are finding that they can't buy their favorite cuts of meat, which is well, look, I mean, at the end of the day, we need proteins, right? And if meat is your jam, then we'll take any meat at a certain point. Toys and trees. Yeah, the Christmas tree shortage is real apparently, and it's coming to it's going to be at a Christmas near you. And toys, I know we've already started to buy some of our Christmas toys and presents, just because we don't want to wait till the last minute and then not be able to get anything for the kids come Christmas time. Timber and cement. These are two things that absolutely have been a problem here in America as well. So it's almost like kind of like a rehash story. But what I wanted to point out with it is that, like, everybody everywhere is feeling the crunch in a lot of different ways, and it's almost kind of like the shell game where you're just moving. Where's the ball now, right? Where's the target that we're trying to hit, and can we accomplish that? Can we accomplish, like, getting enough people into one sector to satisfy that? And that's where it being entrepreneurs, I think it's important for us to look at those shortages, and then if you're looking for an opportunity, if you're looking for a business opportunity to start, look where those shortages is. Those are pain points. Go where the pain points are and figure out what you can do to provide for that pain point, right? And but as we learned in yesterday's entrepreneurs, don't overextend yourself, like in the case of masks and or hand sanitizers, where now they literally are just giving them away as much as possible because they can't have them sitting on their shelves forever.